Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of us care about: achieving thicker, fuller hair. If you're looking for natural, effective remedies you can try at home, stick around as we share 10 proven methods. At Remedy 1, coconut oil. Our first remedy is coconut oil. Rich in fatty acids, it penetrates the hair shaft and reduces protein loss. Just warm a tablespoon and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for best results. At Remedy 2, aloe vera. Next up is aloe vera. Known for its soothing properties, it also promotes hair growth. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. Your hair will thank you. Remedy 3, onion juice. Believe it or not, onion juice can help. Packed with sulfur, it boosts collagen production. Blend one onion, strain the juice, and apply it to your scalp for 30 minutes. The smell might be strong, but the results can be worth it. A Remedy 4 egg mask. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein. Beat 1 or 2 eggs and apply the mixture to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash with cool water. Your strands will feel thicker and stronger. At Remedy 5, castor oil. Castor oil is fantastic for hair growth. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it increases blood circulation to the scalp. Massage it into your roots and leave it overnight for maximum benefits. Remedy 6, fenugreek seeds. Remedy 6. Fenugreek seeds are loaded with protein and nicotinic acid. Soak 2 tablespoons overnight, blend into a paste, and apply to your hair for 30 minutes before rinsing. You'll notice increased thickness over time. Remedy 7, rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is known to stimulate hair growth. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it for a couple of hours before washing it out. It's invigorating and smells great. Remedy 8, green tea. Green tea isn't just for sipping. Packed with antioxidants, it can promote hair growth. Brew a strong cup, let it cool, and use it as a rinse after shampooing. Remedy 9, avocado. Avocados are rich in vitamins E and B, which nourish hair. Mash 1 ripe avocado, mix with olive oil, and apply to your hair for 30 minutes. It's a creamy treat for your strands. Remedy 10, banana and honey. Last but not least, try a banana and honey mask. Bananas help with moisture and strength, while honey acts as a natural humectant. Blend 1 banana with 2 tablespoons of honey, apply, and let it sit for 30 minutes. And there you have it, 10 amazing home remedies for thicker hair. Remember, consistency is key. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural beauty tips.